Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to dive into what happened to the oof sound in Roblox. As you know, the famous oof sound in Roblox when you die, I'm pretty sure everyone has heard that sound. Now it has been replaced with some other noise that people aren't too happy about. So this article, which is linked up in the description down below, goes on to say that they included the original oof sound in Roblox, but that sound was actually created by someone else, by a 2000 game called Messiah, and the creator of that sound was not too happy with the fact that Roblox was using that sound in the game. So what Roblox did is they started charging creators $1 or 100 Robux to include that sound in their games, and that sort of settled the dispute. But now, as we know, the sound has been removed, and it is unclear as to the exact reason why they removed the sound. But they did put out this tweet that explains it, that I just talked about, and they explain that they want to expand their avatar shop. So you can go onto this article in the description down below, and you can listen to the new sound. Let me see if I can play it on the video. So I don't have that set up to play right now, but if you go onto this article and then you just click play, let me see if so I'll just put the sound on. We can hear it right now. That sound, in my opinion, is just not the same as the original oof sound that we used to have in Roblox. Sounds pretty weird in my opinion, but anyway, that's the reason as to why they removed the Roblox oof sound. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.